Hello and welcome to this short video on how to change your DNS settings if you're a Network Solutions subscriber. This is in order to get your websites pointed to Home123 servers and get your custom web pages up. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change the DNS records right now. It's actually quite simple, but the first thing you're going to need to do is go to networksolutions.com, which is right here, and log in. There's a login button. I've already done that, but once you hit the login button at the top, put your username and password in, and it takes you to your Manage Account screen, which is on right now. There should be a blue button at the top that says Manage Account, and if you hit that button, it'll take you back to this screen right here. So DNS Records stands for Domain Name Servers, and that's located under your domain names. And so we're going to want the first thing we're going to do is look here, and you can see there's simply a button here that says Edit DNS. We're going to click on that button, and it brings up a list of the domain names you currently have. I'm going to go ahead and just choose one for right now. So let's say we want to do anyloancompany.net. Let's say that that's your domain name. What you're going to want to do is click on that button and go up to the corner here and it says Edit DNS. Click on that. And it will show you two options. One is Move DNS, which is actually moving the servers. We don't want to do that. We actually want to click on Advanced DNS Manager, which is the second option right here. So go ahead and click on that blue button down there. And the first thing it'll do is bring up where this domain name is pointed. Okay, so currently it's pointed at 107.1.211.108. We're going to go ahead and change that. Specifically for us, we want to focus on this first type of record, which is called an IP address record or a record. There are other types of things we don't want to mess with down here, so just the first one that comes up on the list is all we need to do for Home123. So if you click Edit a Record, it brings up the option of where it's currently pointed. I'm going to go ahead and change this to 107. Let's go ahead and put that here. So the one we want to use is 107.1.211.107. And that is going to be changed for both the www and the root record. It's a good idea to change it at this is called a wildcard. It's a good idea to change all three, but definitely the first two. So we're going to go ahead and change all these to 107 for right now. Okay, and then click Continue. Now you're not quite done yet because it actually will ask you if you really want to do this. It shows you where the A records are currently pointed versus where they're going. So we need to actually click Save Changes to go along with that as well. And now the Network Solutions team is out changing where that domain name points. And in about 24 to 72 hours, it'll actually resolve. So it'll be pointing to the next spot. You'll see on this screen it looks like it's still pointed to the old domain, but don't worry about that. It is in process of doing it. But as soon as you get that done, the next step you're going to need to take is to let us know what your domain name is and what your LAID number is. That is your listing agent identification number with the MLS. So what you're going to want to do there is simply send us an email, and you want to send it to partners.home123.com. And in the subject matter, put agent website. And all you need to do is in the subject of that, put in your name. So I'll just put in Jim Pesavento. And your LAID number, so LAID, and then put your number in, whatever that might be. So say your MLS number is 123456. And then the www website, so www.InJimCaseConcordCustomHomes.com. And once we have that, you go ahead and send that email off. Once we have those pieces of information, we can go ahead and get the process started of pointing your custom agent domain name to your site. And again, within a couple of hours, it should resolve. Once that's done, you'll be able to customize your site, and we will send out instructions on how to log in to do that. But the first thing to do, of course, is get this done. And if there's any questions, you can always call our support team at 1-800-HOME123, which is 800-466-3123. Thank you.